AMC's bright future, the short squeeze, our investment 10 shing, and more are covered in today's video. AMC is worth $766 million, and the Cine market $2.78 billion. We always knew Cinech and AMC had distinct market caps. We've also suggested AMC's market cap match Cine. Pre-market borrowing of 2.65 million shares against a $150 stock contributed to this. When preparing for AMC today, shorts worried when AMC even moved a little higher. Shorts have liquidity concerns, especially in the current market. We know we changed them. Later, volume.pool utilization and borrowed shares rose. The dot pools say retail isn't buying AMC. They say no one buys AMC. Meanwhile, 42 million shares trade off exchange. On 26th, AMC had 76% dot pool and 42.58 million shares off trade. Thus, 42 million did not affect AMC. Previous data shows the bid-to-sell ratio is ridiculous. Purchase orders account for most AMC dark pool orders every day, according to our analysis. But we're duped. Most price-affecting by orders are effects change. Internalized, it doesn't influence price. We're at 75% of 15.9 million. As noted, uninteresting usage is high. Apple, Amazon, and Cineog transactions were anticipated again. Yes, but AMC has a bigger percentage. They're not seeing AMC's 30-day average percent. Most trades are internalized, rooting the dark pool, so they don't impact price. We previously showed a 200 million capital input and 30 million outflow. The stock market saw over $200 million in purchases and 30 million sales. That dropped the price against expectations. So we know this is why AMC's market cap is smaller than Cineog's. The fact that 36 million to 15 million shares were traded in less than half a trading day suggests it's not over. Why? Who buys? We believe many recognize AMC is poised to do something significant. I suggest this because institutions have accumulated more AMC. Businesses buying big volumes of AMC were informed. UBS buys 2-3 AMC shares. Installation ownership is peaking. In 30 minutes, 36 million shares trade. AMC has high volume and accumulation. And why? As mentioned, these shorts, institutions and banks, silver, gold, AI inflation, Japanese yen, and crypto market strategies no longer function. Banks shorted gold, silver, and metal. Institutions short gold and silver, watching their short positions burst. AI inflation is crucial to banks and shorts, but the Japanese yen market failure could diminish it. Crypto markets, where they use collateral, are collapsing. Short sellers have various issues. This increased AMC articles too. Naturally, these are negative articles. AMC news may change if you look for it now, perhaps because you watch AMC videos. And note that all of these media items are negative against AMC. You can even read how AMC sold its silver mining firm investment before silver set a record. AMC sold its stake, but is still profiting from it. I always stated it. I've always been clear. AMC would have made more money if they hadn't sold, waited, or held onto their original stake, but they still have stakes. Tens of millions in profits and warrants to exercise. I agree that they could have generated more profit, but when they declare they made zero or infer it, we must be alert. AMC made good on this investment. They initially criticized AMC's investment rationale. AMC is being slammed for dumping this investment. We can see why these articles exist. Some realize retail investors are a force Wall Street can't ignore. I believe AMC is growing for this reason. Our pressure on hedge funds has been insane lately. The dart pool received 42 million volume. We can estimate flow or see how much. My initial assessment was that naked short allowed AMC apes to buy 29 times flow. Within 3 weeks, my expectations have risen to over 50 float at below dollar to pricing. Everyone buys AMC more. Off exchange in darkness. We said this AES force is absurd. We accelerated hedge funds. It's always known. Our close-knit community keeps each other updated, and the OBV shows everyone buys and holds shares. This and Doppel data indicate tens, 50, or hundreds of AMC float sales. As we've mentioned, Wall Street can't ignore us anymore because we've pushed them to produce 50 times the CMC's flow and won't sell until they cover. Short sellers fear that new high and split-adjusted SI matches pre-conversion in split AMC's SI. We said this, and I'm not just saying that. When the price went up and we pressured shorts, we saw their problems. Why? Short interest soared instantly as the price rose. AMC has no short sellers and no one is affected by even a 10% change or modest incremental adjustment. Why would short interest double from a 10%, 15% increase? We know that short sellers will lose hundreds of millions or billions of dollars if we rise 10% or 15%, surpassing their stake. This will escalate till they lose tens of billions and must cover. This is why short interest is soaring. AMC and Odeon sell about a dozen tons of popcorn daily. According to Adam Marin, this data is reliable since it will generate revenue. We know AMC gained. We can only watch it grow. Our success should be due to our high sales. Insurance for the 6.9 million AMC shares allocated to shareholdings in 2023's settlement is another factor. This is great that we're getting rewarded, and it's one reason AMC is having good news. Lots of MOAs talk today. Investing since October 2020 shows that gamma squeezes did not eradicate 230% short interest. Shorts never closed, kicking the can. Games will rival Tesla, Nvidia, and Bitcoin. I consent to our examination. Same for AMC. We saw only a peak of what should have happened because they could not have removed the FTD so rapidly. No way they could have cleared the shorts so fast. We realized it was manipulation of the buy button, so they delayed it. This enables them keep moving the can. One day, the brief squeeze will happen. We know. We have data. The market is falling. This is our view. Silver's recent performance may have been visible to everyone. GameStop time. AMC and GameStop can reach trillions of dollars in market value like silver. We know money moves. We know they'll pay if needed. We're affordable. AMC and GME rise with silver and gold. It's like X-market news, if you agree. Also, GME short volume went nuclear. 12.1 million daily shorts, plus 479%. We said this. Shorts panic when AMC or GME rises. Why would short risers can't afford to raise it? We must stop GME's momentum. That caused our dot pool. That explains the short. Same for AMC. Regarding GME, this confirms our claim. Institutions clearly manipulate the market. Find major banks in 2026. Non-bear, Wells, Fargo shorts. OTC option position was dropped by BMP. These men do it often. Even a BM lacks committable liquid assets. All these things happen. These are true. These carry fines. Rules state these. The fine is too small. They cannot stop them. Large institutions continue to rip off retail. This suppresses GME's AMC squeeze. Discuss acting investment. Our earlier discussion about calling out HYMC is related to its current run. AMC profits will continue. Apes will keep profiting. Strong performance at recording or market close adds to our pressure on HYMC. At 5,850, 11,000 calls will be profitable. It's recorded HIMS closed at 54.85. We're up 10% today, scaring them. Pressure rises because of that. They do this to boost AMC. We're studying how silver can reach $200 per ounce, which they predicted. In 2 to 3 years, we could see $600 or $921. We'll only watch silver rise. Who benefits most from silver prices rising? Expect AMC-like companies. That's their worry. They're delaying potential profits. They realize momentum is irreversible. They can only stop short-term events that cause the gamma squeeze against money option short sellers. Today's China silver bought price was $128.48, a $20 discount. We've covered this leading indicator. Chinese market proves their leadership. My silver video had this. Building another soon. The silver prices will rise. We must consider short and long-term momentum. Silver is the leading indicator. The deal was discussed. It's rising in China to $131. We also covered this in the video. We discussed bank losses from trades. Short-term institutions and banks suffered as silver and gold prices rose. The departing Goldman Sachs precious metals head may have been fired for opposing the deal. This is causing panic and failure in banks and organizations. The most silver ETF trade ever was 393 million shares today. The cost is $32 billion. That's 15 times his average in the world's largest security. The SPY is 24 billion. Nvidia and Tesla, 16 billion. This is huge and illustrates scale. If a bank fails, or all these guys are liquidated and can't borrow, short AMC and GME. Banks are falling. They are raising the $100 silver target to $150. They rise despite being crushed by these positions. Additionally, the US dollar is expected to drop to its lowest level in 4 years, which is the worst-case scenario for the Fed. The commodities market may rise as the stock market falls. That could fail short sellers' collaterals, giving AMC the win despite the market's decline.